welcome. Today, I'm going to be providing you with a brief description on how you can add group discussions to the Canvas Learning Management System. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to travel to the Courses tab on the global navigation bar and select it. Then, we are going to select the course that we want to add our discussions to. From the admin toolbar, we are going to come down to Discussions. And from here, we are going to go over to Plus Discussions. Once in here, we're going to go ahead and give it a title. So I'm going to title this Getting to Know You. And then I'm going to give it a brief description down here in the HTML editor. And I can check it for accessibility and anything else if I'd like. And then I have an option of where I want it to post to. So I'm going to go ahead and select My Course. I can also choose to give a file if I'd like. And then I have options of how I want this to be set up. So I can have it graded, I can enable a podcast feed. For today, I'm going to go ahead and say allow threaded replies, and I'm going to allow the students to like it, especially since they're working in groups. So then I want to come down here for where it says group discussion and say this is a group discussion. And as you can see, we can pick the group. So I'm going to go ahead and select it, and then I'm going to do group number 1. From here, I want to add some availability dates. And I'll let it end on that day. And now that I'm done, I can come over here and I can hit Save and Publish. Now you can see that it's been added. It shows that it's been published, and here's the information. If at any time I need to edit it, I can always come over here to the Edit tab. I'm going to go back into Discussions, and I'm going to show you this process one more time. So we're going to select Discussions, give it a name. So we'll just say Demo Discussion. Okay, I'm going to give it a description. I'm going to go ahead and give it my class. I'm going to choose my options. I'm going to do my group discussion. I'm going to go ahead and select the group. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Save and Publish. Now I'm going to come back over here to Discussions. And as you can see, both of my discussions have been added. But I want to go ahead and pin these. And to do that, I can click these 3 ellipses. And I can select Pin. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin this one. And that's how you can add discussions to the Canvas Learning Management System. Thank you for joining me.